Pictory make video for digital marketing. In this video, I show you how to create videos for your digital marketing using Pictory AI. Whether you're promoting a product or building your brand, Pictory makes the video creation process simple. I'll guide you step by step. First of all, you need to have an account. For this, I put a link in the description to make your trial account. Now click here. Choose Google account here. Now choose your Gmail from here to continue. Your free trial account has been created and you can use it now. Also, you can use coupon code I add in the description. Now I assume that you have a script like this. I generate this text with ChatGPT. You can generate it by AI tools like ChatGPT or write it by yourself. Now copy your text and paste it here. Easy. Here I should give you some tips. Write sentences as short as possible. You can even hit enter after each sentence and go to the next line. Be careful not to include long paragraphs at all. The clearer your text is, the easier AI can convert it into video. Now you may have some important words that you want to highlight. You can do this manually from this part. Very easy. From this section, the main settings of your text are made. If you like the highlighted words to be selected automatically, you can leave this option active. But if you don't like the word highlight at all, disable it. The second option is related to the selection of footage. Definitely, if you want your text to be converted into a video, you should leave it on. But sometimes you may want to make a video using your own photos and videos. In this case, disable it. The third option is to choose scenes for your text. If you want a scene to be placed for each sentence, click on the first option, and if you want a new scene to be placed after each line break, click on this second option. I usually put on the both option. And then after all these settings, click on this option to continue. And that's when the magic happened. Your video has been created here with Pictory AI tool. With this tool, you can make any product promoting videos or any branding videos easily. You can use its videos, or you can even upload your own or your product videos. I'll tell you all these in just a few minutes. Let's start with these slides in the right section of the screen. Each slide is based on one sentence from your script. You can watch all these slides, and then if you don't like one of them, you can change it. For change one scene, click on that slide, then click on Visual section in the menu. Here you have Search bar 2. Search for your words. For example, I am searching for this. This is the power of this AI tool, that you can have access to a huge library of images and videos based on one word you type here. You can use Pictory AI tool in any niche for you digital marketing projects. Now, to choose one scene, click on that. It will change easily. For digital marketing project, you may need to add some images or some videos in one slide beside the main video. You can make a layer here too. For example, in this slide, I want to add another video. Click on that slide. Then click on Convert to Layer option. With this option, your video will appear like this. Now click on Slide and go to Visual section. Search for your video. If you want to upload your own video, click on My Upload option. Then upload your image, your video from here. Now I choose this video from library. If you want to make it small, you can do the same process for this one again, like as I am doing now. You can even add more videos here. Now for the background, you can leave it as white color, or you can add a solid color or whatever you want. For example, I want to add this as my background. It is nice. You can try each of these and choose one of them at last. Now let's talk about subtitles. If you don't like subtitles, click here and turn it off. But I suggest use subtitles because it can make engagement for your video and increase your watch time. Now for change the style of subtitles, click on this option in the menu. Here you have too many options to choose. I choose this one now. Now here for more customization, click on the subtitle. This toolbar will be shown. From here you can edit more. You can edit font, size, colors, and anything else you see here. Okay, now you make the scenes and subtitles. It is time to choose a good background music and voiceover. From audio section, you have access to these two items. Here you have a big library for background music in any genre, mood, duration, and purpose. Just filter what you need and then listen it from play button. If you like the music, click on apply button. The next tab is voiceovers. Here you have too much different voices for different purposes. Documentary, meditations, calm, education, and any other genre and sounds you may need. Now let's listen to some of these voices.
Change in all things is sweet.
Love cures people, both the ones who give it and the ones who receive it.
Stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities.
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
They are perfect. But I suggest to hear the better sound, sign up with the link below and listen to these voices by yourself. Because what I am listening now is different from what you are listening because of screen recording I am doing for this video. Now I choose one of these voices, and my video is ready for download. But first, let me show you another nice feature that Pictory has. Here you have different format for your video. You can choose portrait and square format too. These are good for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even Facebook post. You can download the video you make in any size without any change in the subtitles and other edits. Now before download the video, let's play it from preview option here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Apple products are not just gadgets. They are tools that can enhance our daily lives. From iPhones to MacBooks, each device is designed to make tasks easier and more enjoyable. For example, the iPhone helps us stay connected with family and friends, while its powerful camera lets us capture precious moments. The App Store offers countless apps for everything, from health tracking to learning new skills, making it simple to find what you need. The iPad is perfect for both work and play. It allows you to take notes in meetings, create art, or enjoy your favorite shows. Plus, with Apple's seamless ecosystem, everything works together smoothly. Need to start a project on your iPhone? You can easily finish it on your MacBook. Apple products also prioritize privacy and security, giving you peace of mind in a digital world. With features like Face ID and strong encryption, your personal information is safe. In short, Apple products are more than just stylish devices. They are essential tools that help us connect, create, and stay organized in our busy lives. Discover how Apple can transform your everyday routine.
I just spent less than 5 minutes to create this video that is super amazing. Because I can save time and money with this AI video generator. You can use Pictory for every digital marketing product and make branding videos. Use free trial link below to make your first AI video with Pictory. Save lifetime coupon code for future.